Kuba birthday yange alidda. Endala y'amata. Asula kuzo. Zikola munana. Zibadde munana.
This is a proof by me. I use fruits, dry fruits, raw fruits to improve the immunity of the chicken and increase the egg production of my chicken. I've been getting comments that, Becky, how comes that your chicken are laying so many eggs? The truth is, I take care of my chicken very, very well. The way I take care of my health, the way I take care of my children's health, is the way I take care of my chicken. I give my chicken everything they need to give me the eggs. So this is what I do. I give my chicken fruits, raw fruits. I give them the bitter leaves in the drinking water, but I also use the dry fruits and they act as vitamins to my chicken. These fruits here you're seeing, they are dry. I collect them until they make 50 kilograms, and then I take them to the millers. I mill them to get the powder. So the powder I get from these fruits, I mix them in the feeds, chicken's feeds, as well as I mix them in the drinking water of the chicken. Whenever I buy antibiotics from the vet, I found out that inside the antibiotics, most of the antibiotics are including, they have some fresh fruits, and I decided to do this as a sample, but it has made wonders to my chicken. I treat my chicken with the herbal remedies. I treat my chicken with the medicine that I buy from the vet. I use everything. I buy the medicine from the vet, and I also use the organic, as well as using these fruits to increase on their immunity. I use the fruits as vitamins. The leaves inside here, they are medicine. So I mix each and everything together to balance the body immunity of the chicken. That is why my chicken lay many eggs. This is the sample of the powder. When you look inside here, there is some seeds inside, and some seeds of guava seeds that remained inside here, and this is some of the powder this is a sample of the powder that I use. And inside here we have, this is orange peels. We have the seeds of the orange. We have the peels of banana peels. We also have the guava. We have inside here the pawpaw seeds, even the eucalyptus seeds. Inside here there are also the jackfruit seeds, the avocado seeds, and the peels of the jackfruits. They're all dry, and I make sure that I dry them up to when they make 50 kilograms. Sometimes I go up to 100 or 80 kilograms, depending on the remaining vitamins that I have. This has made my chicken lay many eggs. Ladies and gentlemen, I treat my chicken. I don't give them the vitamins only. I treat them. After treatment, I give them the vitamins. So I no longer buy vitamins from the vet. I use these simple remedies that I do. I sun dry them, and then later I take them to the millers and I get the powder. Actually, the aroma that comes out of this, it is really magical. I also have the peels of pawpaw. Because they are dry, they turn to brown, so you cannot see them in the yellow state. The only thing that you can see in the yellow state is the lemon and oranges. But others, if the guavas turned brown, but they work wonders. I mix them with the greens because always I use bitter leaves, and bitter leaves always treat the chicken in they treat different diseases. So I mix them with the fruits, I meal them, and that is all. To everyone out there who wants to start this project, poultry farming, raising chicken, few chicken, many chicken, you can use this method because it is easy. You just collect your fruits. I buy the fruits from the market, I dry them. After extracting the juice, I dry the outer peels and I mill them again. So it is very easy that you get your powder aside, you use the powder for 5 days, you wait until you mill other dry ingredients that you have collected from the market. It is quite very easy. You can decide to do that. So some people are lazy. Yes, I'm lazy too. Sometimes I feel like I cannot give them the bitter leaves. I cannot go to the bush and look for some vitamins, raw fruits. But whenever I collect this and I get the powder, it is very easy to use. I just get 2 tablespoons in 10 liters and leave the chicken to drink. It is quite very easy. Remember, you cannot avoid the chicken from getting sick because we are dealing with airborne diseases, but you can treat and the chicken heal very fast. You can avoid their death if you treat. You can boost their immunity and they lay more eggs. The moment they are healthy, the eggs will be more. Your chicken will lay many eggs, and that is why I enjoy the business that I do. If you love the business, you learn each and everything. So try it. It is the best. Do not forget to give your chicken nutritious feeds. In here, we want the vitamins that have to be included, the carbohydrates, and also the protein content. That is the balanced diet for the chicken. More eggs, healthy chicken. Do not forget to include salt in the chicken's feeds because you want bigger eggs. They drink a lot of water whenever they eat salty feeds. So don't forget that. I love you guys. I'm still Rebecca. The drinking water turns to look like this, which makes the chicken drink